This is the most stupidest thing we've ever done in our entire lives.
Bring it.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to the channel. Are you going to explain to them what video we're doing today? Because this is all your idea.
Basically, I've seen it where you down a bottle of SPRITE and try and hold your burping.
This doesn't sound safe if you ask me.
I don't feel safe.
Well, it's probably not, but
We're going to do it anyway.
as some of the sounds that come out that I've seen are hilarious.
But you know how unlucky we are? One of us will end up throwing up. It's going to be him.
Yeah,
he throws up at
probably,
everything.
yeah.
And the other one's going to die of stomach exploding. I've got really guys.
However, they normally do it with like a little bottle, 500ml. And we've got these which are 2 litres.
Well, maybe it is stupid, but it's also dumb.
Can I just say how much I don't want to do this challenge?
It's funny.
I've been saying for ages I don't want to do this because I'm actually scared of my stomach exploding and dying, because I guarantee you this is not healthy for you or good for you in any way, shape or form. How do we know what's 500 milliliters?
Well, no, we're just going to fill the glass up.
That's more than 500 milliliters.
It's not.
Is it not?
No. Tip it a bit to the side. Come on. Oh.
That's so much. Yes. Ah! Oh no! We have got nothing in front of us if we throw up.
We're not going to throw. Ready?
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
I'm so scared.
Remember, not have to burp.
How long are you supposed to do this in? I already feel the gas is flowing. How do you stop a burp? Do not burp already. I can feel a burp in my tummy. How do you stop a burp from coming up?
Actually, it hurts your belly.
I told you, this is not good for you. Why did you want to do? Look, it's already in pain.
Didn't I tell you? 'Cause I told you.
I've been telling you for ages, this is not good.
Not pain. I feel like I'm a little baby.
And there's a burp in there. There's a burp in there. And I didn't know how to stop a burp until now. I'm not going to be able to drink this whole thing. Don't do it. Don't do it. There's a burp in my tummy
Mine's
right
like
now.
right here.
Mine's in my tummy, I can feel it.
Well, I'm just going to try and get it all down.
This is not going to end well. I'm telling you now, this is not going to end well. There's a demon trying to escape my stomach, like... It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming!
Just keep swallowing.
If you ever tried to stop a burp, if you haven't, then try. It is the weirdest feeling. I can feel it.
Can you hear that?
No.
It's like coming out of my throat already.
This is not good. We are
I'm nearly
birthing
there,
demons out of our...
Right.
I'm not gonna...
This is all going in one.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can see your top lip shaking. This is not... Oh my god, Luke, you're making me dizzy. Oh my god. Oh my god, don't do it if you're in pain. Don't do it if you're in pain. Oh my god, you're an idiot.
Come on. You haven't farted, have you?
Nope. Oh my goodness.
Come on, get it down here.
This is the most stupidest thing we've ever done in our entire
I
lives.
think we might have some more.
You're gonna make yourself ill. Don't do it.
I feel alright.
I don't.
Come on, you're nearly there. Well,
It's in my tummy.
you're halfway.
I'm not gonna be able to do it all.
You gotta do the whole thing. What was that? Stop doing it!
mine! I couldn't help it. It was literally forcing its way up.
What is this about?
I don't feel good. Ugh. You're why? I don't know why he's doing this. If you throw up on me. Oh, yeah, that's all back in your mouth!
I'm just gonna have to come off camera. It won't come out!
Stop trap ring. You sound like you popped a pee out your bum.
I've done 1.5 pints and you've not done half pint.
You cannot beat the noises I just made.
Come on, down it. Come on.
That's the most stupidest thing we've ever done in our entire lives.
See the channel. Come. Down it. Down it. Down it. Down it. Down it. You still finished? What? You're the worst birther in the world.
It just feels like the air is forcing its way out of my pipe hole.
Yeah, you just open your mouth and come down. Not like.
My body just does that. God, there's some purpose in that. I feel really weird after doing that. I feel like I've got bubbles of Sprite in my bloodstream. That is it from us, guys. Please don't try this stupid challenge at home because you may get injured whilst doing it.
No, definitely try it.
Don't try it.
I want to try it with more people.
Who?
I don't know, whoever wants to go.
Whoever wants to go, comment down below. Luke will come to you and he will do the challenge with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye! Bye!